I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to receive money through Xfinity Mobile, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the Xfinity Mobile app. Launch the Xfinity Mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Select Receive Money. In the Payments section, look for the option labeled Receive Money. Tap on it to proceed with the setup. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Input the necessary details of the person sending you money, including the phone number or email address associated with the Xfinity account. Double check for typos to avoid issues. Quick gotcha: if you accidentally enter the wrong email, the money may go to someone else. Step 5. Confirm and send request. Review the information you've entered and hit send request. The recipient will receive a notification to approve the transaction. Now you're all set to receive money through Xfinity Mobile. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy transacting.